#1 coaching institute for NIFT NID NATA UCEED CED Concept Note: Futuristic nature-inspired automobile. Our design concept envisions a futuristic automobile that harmoniously combines elements of nature, advanced technology, and sustainability. The goal is to create a vehicle that not only performs efficiently but also connects with the natural world, offering a unique driving experience. Key design elements: biophilic design inspired by nature's forms. The vehicle's exterior features gentle, flowing lines reminiscent of leaves and organic shapes. Sustainable materials. The body of the automobile is constructed from lightweight and eco-friendly materials, incorporating elements like bamboo-based composites and recycled plastics. Botanical integration. The car's interior is a fusion of technology and nature, featuring a living plant wall and sustainable, plant-based upholstery. Solar energy. Solar panels are integrated into the car's surface to harness renewable energy. Biodiversity enhancement. The vehicle includes a rooftop garden, providing a habitat for urban biodiversity. Aesthetic philosophy. The design philosophy revolves around creating a sustainable, nature-integrated automobile, redefining the driving experience. This concept aims to set new standards in the automotive industry by emphasizing the coexistence of technology and the environment. Stay tuned for more inspiring concepts and ideas from Ignite India Education. Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CED, UCEED entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having a 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.